Dun 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 dun. That was like my rendition of the Star Wars music for Lord Vader's entrance. Unfortunately, Lord Vader could not be with us today, but we have someone very special with us to talk about the blizzard. Thank you.
Luke, why are you not at the Dagobah system? It's really warm. You should come to the Dagobah system and have a Mai Tai with me. Or maybe a mojito.
Oh, I just love winter. Winter rocks, man. I just love it. It's awesome. Look at it. I'm gonna stick my hand. There. Oh, yeah, it's so much fun. Ah! So much fun.
Pee-wee, you are one crazy mofo.